Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Classes for You. Today's video is about drawing using shapes, means different shapes, for which is basically for class 1st and 2nd. So watch this video, parents and student both. So come back to our video, drawing using shapes, that is footprint. So in this video I will tell what are the different shapes, which is means unknown to small students. Okay, so we will see different shapes, that is first we will see triangle, okay, then square, then rectangle, okay, circle and oval. Okay, so these are the different shapes. So here I will tell through example. These shapes you can recognize through that example. I will draw some pictures here. Okay, we will see. Okay, and let us draw here one ball. Okay, so I will draw one more. Okay, yeah. Okay, so friends, here are different shapes. What are those shapes? This can be, say, egg. This is your heart. Okay, this is your ball. Okay, and this is carom board. Okay, for small student, you can tell them this example, so that with the help of this example they can means remember the shapes. And this is ice cream, very well known to everyone. Ice cream. So here we will see how we can match these shapes with these examples. Okay. So triangle, here if you ask your kid that how to recognize this triangle, so through this ice cream he can say yes, this is triangle. Okay. Again, next is my square shape, that is square. This is square shape, and square shape, with this I can match any, yes, this is carom board. Yes, I can match with carom board. Why? Because it again looks like square shape. Okay, so with this I can match carom board. Now again, this is rectangle. This is rectangle. This shape again they recognize or they remember with the help of heart. Why? Because it is again in rectangle shape. Again, next is my circle. Okay, circle. Again, this circle I can match with my ball, right? Again, here I can match with it ball. So, and last is my oval shape. That is again I can match with it egg. So friends, what I mean to say here, if your kid is unable to remember these shapes, you can take this example, because here these examples we use day-to-day life. Egg, many are eating. Heart, you can show them any example where heart is there. Ball, they are playing with ball. Carom board also they are playing, and ice cream, this they eat. So with this example you can tell them that these are the different shapes where they they find easy way to learn these shapes. So this is a simple example where I told here about match the column, means here you can match the different shapes with these examples. So again we will see, okay, again next we will see with these shapes only I will draw some day-to-day examples. Okay, how you can draw different shapes. Let us draw triangle. Okay, triangle. How? By using that, if see many are wearing that earrings of, I will draw here earrings of that triangle shape. Okay, earrings. Again, circle. Circle. Again, I can use this circle as necklace. Okay. Here I will draw some triangle again here. Okay. So in this way, the small kids, they can do this activity also using shapes. Okay. Using shapes, they can do their activity also. So what I told here, this can be a earring, okay, which many are wear. So this can be a small necklace, or you can draw any rectangle shape. Yes, they hold now. Ladies hold that purse, okay, like this. Again, I am using here that, what is that? Circle. Again, this is a rectangle. Okay, I can draw here that what? Small ring. Okay, small ring. Ring. So friends, what I mean to say here, with these shapes you can draw different things also, so that when you teach your kids about shapes, you can tell them these examples also. Okay, so if a square shape is there, again you can make one earring of square shape. Okay, or you can tell them small pouch for them, so that they can keep anything in this pouch, like pen, pencil, like that. They are having this pouch in that rectangle shape also, where they can keep their pen, pencil and everything. So friends, here you can take any examples which will be very easy to understand the kids, how different shapes are there in our surrounding only. Because what happened, when we teach them directly that this is circle, this is rectangle, this is triangle, or this is oval, or this is anything square shape. Okay, so what they get confused between that, here this is square or this is rectangle. They're not able to remember that spellings. So what here I am doing that, with this example you can tell your kids that anything can be in triangle shape. Okay, anything can be in rectangle shape. Okay, in our at our home only there are many things which are different shapes are there. So using this example, you teach your child about different shapes. So this video is basically for class 1st or 2nd, small kids only. So parents and students both watch this video to understand our day-to-day examples, and you can compare with that example to different shapes. Okay, so watch this video, subscribe it. Thank you.